Welcome, folks. This is P-PAW. We're back at Doc's Crypto Casino, and today we got Tornado Alley. We got 3 tornadoes protecting all that gold, and we gotta see if we can destroy them and get that gold. It's a $7,500 buy-in with $22,500 in chips and gold. Let's get to pushing. Alright, folks, we got our normal 10 minutes and 500 coins, and let's see if we can get some gold. Boy, they got this stacked up with these tornadoes. They look really cool. Boy, they did some work on this. How much you want to bet they fall backwards? I'll bet on it. They're already leaning. Oh, they're trying to move. They're one a little bit. Oh my goodness gracious. I can't even see the gold. I can kind of see a couple of little pieces. I don't know what they got back there. Oh, there's a couple of dice too, so I guess that's for the bags. I'm pretty sure. Oh man, we got plenty of coins. Oh, it didn't fall backwards, thank goodness. It looks like it. It looked like it wanted to, but they're blocker chips. We all know what they do. A little bit of money, a whole lot of blockers. All right. Now, this Friday, we got the Bonanza buy-in, or the buy-in Bonanza, I'm sorry. I'm just watching the field. We got the buy-in Bonanza, and Gary won it this week. We just filmed it. We'll have it out Friday, and y'all be sure to watch it. It's a good film. He's a character. I'll tell you, when you get 2 talkers on the same film, you got problems. Oh, there's one dice down. Alright, I gotta work on this other tornado. Hey, them chips are falling. Alright, we're down to 730. Oh, we got all the gold out on one side, and everything else is blocked behind this front tornado. It just won't go over. I think they glued part of it. I keep asking if they're gluing some of these things, but they keep saying no. Come on. Looks like we've almost wiped out one tornado, but we can't get the other 2 to move. It's moving a little bit. Oh, we got a die sitting on a piece of gold. Just sledding along. All right. Come on, move! started out good, but we ain't. It's just going all around this one. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Don't need no chip jam. Or no coin jam. I think this tornado just sitting there spinning. It don't want to move. Come on, just move it just a little bit. Well, we're getting some chips. We got gold. We got the dice going. We're down to 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to have to concentrate on that gold over there so we can get some money back. Whoa, there it went. Well, I was wrong. Wrong. They fell back forward. They didn't fall backwards, so that's good. All right, let's get some of this stuff to move. And I need to get that dice over there. Get some money moving now. Now I got that thing moving. I go flying. All right, we still got 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Now that's 3 minutes, 50 seconds. I'm trying to look at it wrong. Oh my goodness. Boy, I'm just eating up time and not knowing it. We're at 3 minutes, guys. It's time to start moving. I don't know if I'm going to get this front one. It's just almost glued on. We got the dice. Got the gold. We're doing okay, but I don't know. This dice is just locked in over here. I don't think it's coming out. All right, guys, 2:30. Boy, the buckets are already getting smaller. Boy, this side just does not want to move. I need to get that gold. That'll help. All right, we're getting down on the time. It's going quick. 140. I don't think I'm going to knock that big tornado down. It's just not moving. Oh, I got a little movement. All right, we got 1 minute, guys. I don't know if this is what we're going to be at. If it's We got a bit, but it's just not looking good. Boy, they are working me over. Just 1 second. I got coin. That's not the issue right now. I'm going for that Statue of Liberty gold over there before I run out. We got 39 seconds. Oh, 28 seconds. I don't know if I'm going to make that gold over there. I'm putting every one I can put in there. 19 seconds. Oh, I got that gold. We got 10 seconds left. It went over. All right. 5 seconds. I am putting them all out there. They are not doing. All right, that's it, guys. That's it. Last the coins. Well, nothing else falls except coins. All right. Well, we only got 2 tornadoes, but we did get a lot of gold. It looks like I can't see any. It's all covered up, but we'll be right back when they clean it out. All right, folks, we're back. We did $9,075. We tipped the staff $575. That left us $8,500 in chips and gold. $1,000 profit, not bad at all. We got the dice. Now that's worth that whatever's in that bag. So let's see what we won. Because this is a prize we can take home. All right, we'll put that dice there. Let's see what we got. I ain't thinking the bag didn't come out of the machine, so it's probably solid gold and we can take it home. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this, guys. Get it right. This is a Panama Pacific $50 coin. It was during the San Francisco exhibition. They had this coin. I think it was 1915. It was ounce gold worth 50 bucks. And inside, United States of America. Back when we did the Panama Canal. All right, folks. Well, we did really good. This worth about $1,500 in spot gold. Maybe a little more because it's a coin. And we'll see y'all on the next push.